Hare Krishna, welcome to my channel Beginners Linux MS Excel Guide. Today I'm going to cover the substitute function, which is again from text series. What is it basically? The Excel substitute function replaces specific text within a string with a new text, either replacing all instances or only a specific occurrence. Okay, so let's get back to the practical. So how can we do that? So this is the function argument where you can see text, then old text, new text, and instance number. So first we'll do accept this instance number, second we'll do with instance number. Alright, let's start. So we'll write equals, then substitute, and then tab. It will open the bracket, and then first we need to select the text, which is this cell, and then give comma. Then we want to replace, say, Ram with Balram. Alright, so we'll write Ram and then close quote and with replace with Balram, close bracket. So you can see all the Ram has been replaced with Balram. You can see Ram Bhim Ram Madan Ram, Balram Bhim Balram Madan Balram. Right, now come to the next example. Here we'll do substitute tab. Now we'll change second instance of Ram, or say third instance of Ram, with Balram, only that one. How to do that? Select the cell, comma, again old text, which is Ram, and I want to replace it with Balram. I'll write Balram. Now which instance? Say third instance. Rest I'll keep it as Ram. Alright, so I'll write 3, close the bracket, hit enter. Now you can see this Ram and this Ram is same here and here. This is same. This Ram has been changed with Balram, right? So that's how we can use this substitute function. So that's all folks for this one. If you like my video, please do subscribe to my channel, like it, share it, comment it, and don't forget to press the bell button so that whenever I post a new video over here, you'll get the notification of it immediately. Thank you so much for being with me till the end of the video with patience. Thank you so much for your love and support. Stick to my channel, new videos are coming into your way. Thank you so much. Hare Krishna, Hari Bol.